All you have to do is go to their website and select your own. I would love to. Your own upload. Just want to share that I want to add this popping sound. So that like that. So I'm gonna incorporate it in the song. And if you use my promo code, why can't I get it? If you use my promo code and before you know it, it's delivered. That fast, that easy, and that pretty. I love art. I love making art. And I love being able to share them with you guys. So being able to personalize my own pop grip was so cool. And you can too. All you have to do is go to their website and select create your own. Upload your photo, fix it up, check it out, and check out. And before you know it, it's delivered. That fast, that easy, and that pretty. And if you use my promo code PiratePop_CYO, you'll get a 10% discount. And hey, if you do make one, tag me. Let me know. I would love to see what you came up with. So try it out. Visit popsockets.ph and create your own. Have fun!